This video will cover how to publish your course. So let's say you have created all the items inside your course using modules and pages, assessments. Everything is ready. You've checked everything with the student view. Everything is looking okay. You want to make the course available to your students. So how do you do that? So normally when you are on the home page of a course, after you've added all your items, on the right hand side, you will see that you have a course status, and the word unpublished is in a red background, and then the word publish is on a gray background. Despite the word publish having a check mark, if we see the word unpublished in red, it means the course is not available to the students. How do we make it available? We click the word publish. Now, normally, if we have a module set up, then the system will just go ahead and publish with the modules page as the actual homepage. So anytime the students come to the homepage, the modules will load up. If for some reason we want to choose a page as the homepage instead of modules, we can do that. And we can do that by clicking below published. The third line says choose homepage. When we click that, we can then choose a page's front page. So in this example, for example, I don't have any page set up as the front page. But I want to go over the options before I show you how to choose a home page as an actual Canvas page instead of modules. The other options you have is assignments list, which will list everything that is worth a grade. So if you have graded discussions, they will show up in that list. If you have a graded assignment, they will show up in that list. If you have graded quizzes, graded surveys, they will all show up in the assignments list. Despite its name, it should be more likely called assessments list. Then the other option is your syllabus page that is in Canvas itself. And then course activity stream is another option that just updates with what was last edited or updated. It is not particularly a useful view for students. So most of the time, I would say that course modules or an actual page are the best choices. So let's go to a course that does have a page inside of it, so that we can choose the home page to be one of the pages. So if I click in this course, I have a whole bunch of pages, and click choose home page on the right hand side. When I click that, I still see pages front page as grayed out because the system wants me to first tell it which of my many pages I want to be the front page. So how do I do that? I go on the left hand side to pages where I see a list of all my current pages. So you can see all the pages are right here, and I have to choose one of them as the home page. So let's pick overview, this particular one over here. To the right of this particular page, I have three little dots. So we see the name of it, the date, when it was last modified, and a green check mark meaning it is published. And we click the three little dots, we get a menu, and the third option in the menu is use as front page. Once we click that, now this has a demarcation below it, calling it front page. Then we go back to home. Again, currently the home is the course modules. So we're going to click the third button, choose home page. And now you can see pages front page is not grayed out anymore. So I can choose that and then click save. Now, anytime someone goes to home, instead of seeing modules, they see this particular page. So that is an option if you want the students to first see a page and then you can direct them to your modules. That is an option that you can have. In general, from all the options for a home page for your course, I would strongly suggest to use modules or an overview page, a welcome page of some sort as your main options, as they are the most informative and easiest to navigate from. And of course, you can always change this back. You can click choose home page. You can always go back to course modules as your option and click save. If in case you tried it, you didn't like the experience. In the student view, you can always change what it is. You can choose the home page before you publish. Whatever you have chosen, when you click the publish button, it will use that as your home page. So if it was course modules, it will go ahead and use that. If it's a front page, it will use that instead. So that is how you can publish your course and also choose what comes up the first time the students, every time they click on the course, what is the first thing they see? Is it a front page or is it a module or the list of modules? It's up to you, but that is what you can choose with your course. And always make sure that you publish and you see the word published in green to the right of your course to make sure that a course is published. Another place where you can see whether or not your course is published is, of course, in settings. On the right hand side, when we are in course details where we have our image, it says course is published. That lets us know that this course is indeed published. We are good to go. The students can access. Everything is available to them.